The apartment unit's load calculation involves several components. Firstly, for lighting, we have 60 watts times 30 ceiling lights times 5 floors, which equals 9,000 watts. Secondly, small appliances are calculated as 2 circuits times 15 amps times 120 volts times 2 units, totaling 7,200 watts. Thirdly, the microwave load is 1500 watts times 38 units, resulting in 57,000 watts. Fourthly, the refrigerator load is 1500 watts times 38 units, also totaling 57,000 watts. Fifthly, electric heat is calculated in 2 parts. Firstly, 2000 watts times 8 feet length times 3 heaters times 38 units, which equals 1,824,000 watts, and secondly 1000 watts times 4 feet length times 1 heater times 38 units, which equals 152,000 watts. The total apartment load is the sum of these values, resulting in 1,909,200 watts. For the common areas, the lighting load is 60 watts times 30 lights times 5 floors, equaling 9,000 watts. The laundry room load is 4 circuits times 15 amps times 120 volts, which equals 7,200 watts. The total load calculation involves summing the apartment load, common areas load, and laundry room load. The apartment load is 1,909,200 watts, the common areas load is 9,000 watts, and the laundry room load is 7,200 watts. Adding these together, the total load is 1,925,400 watts. For the service calculation, the total load is 1,925,400 watts. Applying a demand factor of 75% results in a service size requirement of 1,925,400 watts times 0.75, which equals 1,444,050 watts or 1444 amps. A review of the existing service indicates that the existing 400 amp service is insufficient for the calculated load. The building requires an upgraded service of at least 1444 amps. Recommended actions include firstly installing a new 1444 amp overhead service with 4 360 amp mains feeding 9 or 10 apartments each. Secondly, maintaining the existing 60 amp apartment disconnects. Thirdly, dedicating one main to the common areas and laundry room. The estimated cost of the electrical upgrade depends on factors such as local labor rates and material costs. As a rough estimate, the upgrade could cost approximately $25,000 to $35,000. Notes: firstly, the A/C load was omitted from the calculations as it was not provided. Secondly, the load calculations are based on typical usage and may vary depending on actual usage patterns. Thirdly, it is recommended to consult with a licensed electrician for a more detailed analysis and design of the electrical system.